White or black, which color is best for your house exterior? White is a cool, timeless option. Dear friends, for exterior paint to keep your house cool, white is a popular choice. It brightens the look of your home and reflects light, and therefore heat, from the sun. If you have excessive cooling costs during warmer seasons, a white house may be the solution. White is a common color for home exteriors because it's so versatile. It suits modern styles, classic homes, and everything in between. You can also get variations of white, from cream tones to cool hues, that provide a subtle, unique twist to the traditional, standard white. Antique white, in particular, is a recent popular color for homes. Any variation of white can make your home look large and inviting, which is especially useful for shorter or smaller houses. If you feel that white is a bit too basic for your home or your style, choose fun or unique accents for the rest of your home's exterior. Unique brick or stonework or pops of color on your home's accents will infuse your house's exterior with your style without much of an impact on the interior temperature. Go for a white house with colorful accents in areas like house shutters, house doors, door frames, window frames, house porches, house railings, house dormers. Black is bold but heats things up. A black house will stand out, and that's exactly what some homeowners want. If you want to be the most dramatic yet sophisticated house on the block, you may gravitate towards black for your home's exterior, but know that color could heat your home, depending on various factors of your exterior. If you live in a cooler climate, you may not mind having an exterior color that keeps your house warm. That could have a positive impact on heating costs during the cold seasons, especially if they last longer than warm seasons. Homeowners may also avoid choosing black, navy blue or other dark colors because they're known to fade with sun exposure. That means that over time, the sun would impact the appearance of your home, requiring touch-ups. But at Shoreline, we keep UV radiation resistance in mind as we select the paint for your home's exterior and use high-quality, durable products that last for years to come. With Shoreline, you can choose a contemporary, sophisticated dark color for your exterior without worrying about fading and dulling. Black and other dark colors are also known to highlight imperfections in a home's exterior. With an exterior paint job from Shoreline, we'll make sure to fix any imperfections and create a smooth surface for your home's new paint color, so you get satisfying results even if you choose a darker color. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.